So I want to have a quick dialogue with you and I want your opinion. So drop in the comments below. How badly did this event, and that event being when the SEC filed suit against Ripple, how bad do you think it affected XRP? Here's where this came from. I was looking at the market capitalizations of Ethereum versus XRP. And I don't know if you know this little known fact is that back in 2017 and that time, XRP had a bigger market capitalization than Ethereum. So how badly do you think the lawsuit between the SEC and Ripple impacted the price of XRP? Here's what I think. I think it was devastating. I think from the lawsuit, you're talking about years worth of people not being able to buy it. You're talking about tens of billions, maybe hundreds of billions of dollars in lost market cap. Like right now, the market cap of XRP, let me look real quickly. The market cap of XRP is 27 billion and change, and the market cap of Ethereum is 196 billion, to give you some visibility into that. And I think if we hadn't have had the lawsuit, that XRP would be easily north of 100 billion market cap. So you're talking about tens, I mean, a lot, you're talking about 70, 80 plus billion in market capitalization. Not to mention the damage to, in my opinion, to the trust level associated with XRP. Now, I don't think anybody ever doubted Ripple's validity as a business, right? They are a global business. They move money very, very cost effectively, cheaper, and all that kind of stuff. They do it extremely well, right? And so I don't think I think, and oh, by the way, it impacted their business. I mean, there was an example the other day. I don't know if you know this, and I did a video on this talking about the partnership that that Ripple had with MoneyGram, the largest, global consumer facing brand out there as far as the money movement service, and MoneyGram and Ripple had a partnership. And when that lawsuit went down, that partnership was dissolved. And then that partnership cost MoneyGram profits because they divulged that in 2 quarters, they made like $11 million. MoneyGram did off of that partnership, that's how much profit they made in leveraging Ripple's technology. So it hurt Ripple's business dramatically. In that case, hundreds of millions of dollars wiped out potentially in that relationship, maybe just in that one partnership, tens of millions at least. My point is this: what's the consequences? Nobody will ever know, but you're talking about billions and billions of dollars either in lost market capitalization for the price of the XRP token itself, and or the loss of business globally. And then finally, the impact to retail investors, you and I. We could, if you lived in the States, you couldn't buy XRP. You had to go through hoops and, and all these kind of things, which wasn't fun. The impact has been dramatic. And we're still feeling it a little bit, by the way. The ongoing is the SEC going to file, an appeal. They're going to file an appeal. Now, they're not going to file an appeal basically challenging the base decision. There's components of it, but they have effectively said, but not really said, kind of like said, but not said that it would seem that though, as though the SEC is kind of over and done with this, what is a security and defining a security, and the definition of security. That battle seems to have been won. At least that's kind of the way the regulatory winds are blowing, if you will, right now as of the recording. But that's what's interesting about this, is that we need regulatory clarity into crypto. We got a lot of it with the way the decision went down for the Ripple SEC lawsuit. It went the way, majority of it went the way of Ripple, which defines that the XRP was not a security. Yes, I know there's different permutations of the deal, but for the bulk, but basically we won, right? Okay, so that's set a baseline of at least beginning some regulatory clarity. And with regulatory clarity, and oh, by the way, when they finally will approve at some point in time that BlackRock Bitcoin ETF and these other Bitcoin ETFs that are backed by these major, financial houses like BlackRock and, Fidelity and Schwab, et cetera, that's going to open the floodgates to the value, increase the value of XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Any top 100 crypto is going to be positively impacted by that move. You might see Bitcoin might go up 100,000 inside of a week of one of those, of the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF being approved. And it will make global media coverage, bringing trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars into crypto and everything and all those. But at the end of the day, the true consequences and how badly the lawsuit affected XRP, I think it's on multiple fronts. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. That's all I got for you now. Just wanted to have this dialogue. I'll see you.